Hi, this is ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So if you wanna add or remove some of the options from this panel or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. Here we got the options which we could add to our panel, and to do that we should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection by this way. If you wanna remove some of the options from here, just by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to reset icon. To save the changes, tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.